Today in Pike County, a judge sent jurors home early because the prosecution ran out of witnesses. They didn't say why or who they're waiting to call next, but as WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco explains, people are anxiously awaiting hearing from George Wagner's mom and brother.
Attorneys did bring that up once the jurors left here for the day. They said once Angela and Jake Wagner show up to testify from jail, they may need more room in the courtroom because all the family members may show up, and plus they need room for the inmates' attorneys. And they said they may need the sound amplified somehow for those who have trouble hearing. Remember, George Wagner IV is on trial, accused of helping his father and brother shoot and kill the Roden family due to a child custody battle. Today, jurors heard dozens of text messages George's brother exchanged with his child's mother, Hannah Roden, leading up to the murders. She was refusing to sign shared custody paperwork.
From Hannah, I never agreed to anything on paper. That's where you're wrong. I haven't signed anything, and I won't be signing anything. I'm being fair, so at this point, I see no reason for me to even think about signing a paper. You get her with no problems.
The defense asked what this has to do with George. The prosecution said it shows a shared scheme in the family or motive behind the conspiracy charge against him. And remember the financial statements from yesterday that showed George's credit card bought items connected to the murders? This morning, the prosecution brought those to life, showing jurors what those items were: a bug detector, items to make gun silencers, and brass bullet casing catchers. The defense did try to plant a seed of doubt by getting the investigator on the stand to acknowledge that he does not know for certain George is the one who used the credit card. He said other family members may have used it to purchase the items. Reporting in Waverly, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.